Chapter 2: The Problem with Schools. By teaching experience in different parts of the world, I was convinced that something is wrong with English education. Everywhere I went, it was the same situation. The students were bored, frustrated, stressed, and nervous. Most students, even the year of studying English, failed to speak language fluently. You are not alone, because it's a global problem. One of my students, Seiko from Japan, described this combination of failure and stress as English trauma. Seiko said that she hated English. She felt that learning English was boring and stressful, and speaking English was even worse. In fact, the thought of speaking to native speaker immediately made Seiko feel extremely nervous and shy. Seiko felt she had developed a psychological problem with English and had named it English trauma. A trauma is a deep wound or injury. How said I thought myself that so many people now thinking English as kind of injury or mental disease. Throughout my teaching career, I've met any students who had similar feelings about English. I discovered that Seiko was not alone. Rather, English trauma is global epidemic. Those people feel they must learn to speak English. Every few seem to enjoy it. Most who learn the language struggle with the same feelings of nervousness and frustration Seiko had. As I encountered this problem more and more, I began to look for the root causes. I realized that found the situation and solution, I needed to understand the problem, just as a doctor must first diagnose a disease before treating it. Think about it. What is the cause of all this misery and failure? Why do so many people fear to speak English effortlessly despite years of study? What is wrong with English education? The first and most obvious problem I found with school was the way in which they teach English. Most schools everywhere in the world use the grammar translation method. As the name implies, the focus of this method on grammar analysis and memorization of translated vocabulary. This method breaks English into endless series of grammar formulas to memorize. Of course, each grammar formula has exceptions, and this must be memorized to school.